no sol els clàssics, ho trobo a faltar tot el dia a dia.
Not just the Clásicos, I miss training, the day-to-day, my teammates, the competition. I said when I retired that I've been very fortunate to have been a footballer for 20 years, and if it was for me, I'd still be playing. Everyone's saying that Madrid are coming into the game in good form and the Barca aren't in their best form, but it's a one-off game. It's true that they have a 6 points advantage, so in that sense they can be a bit more relaxed, but a derby is always special. The table doesn't really have anything to do with it. When I used to play, you were in good form and they were in trouble, but it was still a difficult match, and then the opposite, if they were doing well and we weren't, and you get a good result that wasn't expected. That's what happens. Obviously Barca need a good result, because if they don't win, then they'll be difficult to be at 9 points from Madrid, but there's still a long way to go. I would choose the 6-2 at the Bernabeu, because it was a spectacular match, because how the team reacted, because we went behind first half. Madrid were in really good form. They were pulling back points in the league on us, but I think that was the crucial moment in the league. We were 7 points ahead with 4 games left, and we won the first league title under Pep. You're really looking forward to it, but it's not a week in which you have to prepare yourself a lot, because you're looking forward to the game for so long that it's easy. You just want the game to come. The only thing you have to avoid is being anxious. In the last few years with Pep's coach, when the Clásico week came around, he used to give you time off instead of training. He stopped you from going to the Ciudad Deportiva, so you switched off a little bit, because you get into the game because of what it is. It's much more difficult now. I'm not a player, because when you're in the game, you're doing what you love, you can take part, you feel important. When you're at home, the only thing you can do is, well, a lot of the time is enjoy it, but other times it's not so enjoyable. I have to be relaxed at home. Now with my little girls, not always easy. I always watch the games at home now with my friends, not too many, because I like to focus on what's happening in the game. If there's lots of people at home, there's people getting in the way of the TV, and that makes me a bit nervous, but I'll watch it at home with some friends, and I hope I'm not very nervous, and I hope I'm not disappointed. Just hope to enjoy a good game.